dense rainforests, high in the canopy where sunlight filters through layers of leaves. Quick shadows leap from branch to branch. A tail swings, hands grasp with perfect precision, and bright eyes scan the world below. This is the lively realm of the monkey, one of the most intelligent, social, and fascinating animals on Earth. Monkeys have lived alongside nature's changing landscapes for millions of years. From tropical jungles and misty mountains to savannas and mangrove forests, they have adapted to a wide range of environments. Their success comes from a powerful combination of agility, curiosity, and social cooperation. At first glance, a monkey's world looks playful and carefree, but every movement serves a purpose. Climbing, leaping, and swinging are not just games, they are survival skills. The forest canopy is both a playground and a highway, allowing monkeys to travel long distances without ever touching the ground. Up there, they find food, safety, and shelter. A monkey's body is perfectly designed for life in the trees. Flexible shoulders allow wide arm rotation, strong hands grip branches firmly, and many species have tails that act like an extra limb for balance. Some tails can even hold the monkey's full weight, functioning almost like a fifth hand. This remarkable adaptation makes them masters of the aerial world. Food is a daily adventure. Most monkeys are omnivores, eating fruits, leaves, seeds, flowers, insects, and sometimes small animals. Their diet often changes with the seasons, depending on what is available. A troop may travel many kilometers in a single day searching for ripe fruit trees or fresh feeding grounds. Their sharp eyesight helps them spot colorful fruits hidden among leaves. Their nimble fingers peel skins, crack shells, and pick tiny insects from bark. Every meal requires awareness and skill because the forest is full of competition, but monkeys are not solitary wanderers. Their true strength lies in their social lives. Many monkeys live in groups called troops, ranging from a few individuals to dozens. Within these troops, relationships form, hierarchies develop, and communication becomes essential. Monkeys communicate through a rich mix of sounds, facial expressions, and body language. Calls can warn of predators, signal food discoveries, or keep the group together. A simple glance, a lip smack, or a raised eyebrow can send a clear message. In their world, communication is key to survival. Grooming is one of the most important social activities. It may look like simple cleaning, but it means much more. Grooming strengthens bonds, reduces stress, and builds trust within the troop. A monkey carefully picking through another's fur is showing friendship and reinforcing social ties. Young monkeys grow up surrounded by play. They chase, wrestle, swing, and explore together. These playful moments are lessons in disguise. Through play, they learn balance, coordination, and social rules. They discover how hard they can push, when to back off, and how to cooperate. A mother monkey's care is constant and devoted. From birth, a baby clings tightly to her fur, riding on her belly or back wherever she goes. She protects, feeds, and teaches her young how to survive. The bond between mother and infant is strong, filled with gentle touches and watchful attention. As the young grow, they become more independent but remain within the safety of the troop. Older monkeys often watch over the young, creating a shared sense of protection. In many species, raising the next generation is a group effort. Life in the forest is not without danger. Predators such as big cats, snakes, and birds of prey are always a threat. Monkeys rely on sharp senses and teamwork to stay safe. A single alarm call can send the entire troop rushing into the trees. Speed and awareness often mean the difference between life and death. Intelligence is one of the monkey's greatest strengths. Some species use tools, like sticks to gather insects or stones to crack nuts. Others show problem-solving skills and memory that rival many animals. They learn from observation and experience, passing knowledge through generations. Their curiosity drives them to explore new objects and situations. This curiosity helps them adapt, but it can also lead them closer to human environments. In some places, monkeys have learned to live near towns and villages, finding food in crops or leftovers. These interactions can be both fascinating and challenging for humans and monkeys alike. Forests around the world are changing. Habitat loss, deforestation, and climate shifts affect monkey populations in many regions. When trees disappear, so do food sources and safe pathways. For animals that depend on the canopy, even small changes can have big impacts. Conservation efforts aim to protect forests and wildlife corridors so monkeys can move freely and find what they need. Protecting monkeys also protects countless other species that share the same habitat. Healthy forests support a web of life, and monkeys are an important part of that balance. Beyond ecology, monkeys hold a special place in human culture and history. In many traditions, they appear in folklore as clever tricksters, wise observers, or playful spirits. Their expressive faces and human-like behaviors make them feel familiar to us, almost like distant relatives. Watching monkeys in the wild reveals a world full of personality. One may be bold and adventurous, another shy and cautious. Some take leadership roles, others prefer the background. Each has a unique character shaped by experience and social ties. Morning in the forest often begins with movement and sound. Leaves rustle as monkeys wake and begin their search for food. Sunlight warms the branches where they rest. The day unfolds with travel, feeding, grooming, and play. As evening approaches, the troop settles into safe sleeping spots high in the trees. Even at rest, monkeys remain alert. The forest never truly sleeps, and awareness is always necessary. Their lives are guided by natural rhythms, sunrise, sunset, seasons, and the availability of food. There is a certain magic in seeing a monkey leap effortlessly across a gap, trusting its strength and judgment. That leap represents generations of instinct and adaptation. It is a reminder of how closely animals are shaped by their environment. Monkeys also remind us of connection. Their social bonds, emotional expressions, and playful curiosity reflect qualities we recognize in ourselves. They show joy, fear, affection, and even grief. These shared traits create a quiet bridge between humans and wildlife. To protect monkeys is to protect the forests that breathe life into our planet. Trees store carbon, produce oxygen, and support biodiversity. When we conserve their habitats, we help preserve the balance that benefits all living beings, including ourselves. Somewhere right now, in a forest far from the noise of cities, a troop of monkeys moves through the treetops. Young ones chase each other in playful loops, adults scan for food, and mothers keep their babies close. Life continues as it has for ages, lively, social, and deeply connected to nature. Their world is full of motion and meaning, a dance among branches where every leap tells a story of survival. Monkeys are not just animals of energy and mischief. They are vital threads in the fabric of the wild, and as long as forests stand and trees reach for the sky, the quick shadows of monkeys will continue to swing through the canopy, lively guardians of a world that still holds wonder, intelligence, and the spirit of play.